Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing some really short cute nails on my sister. She specifically requested I do some short nails on her, and as you can see, her nails they've been through a lot lately. She doesn't have any free edge and she's a nail biter, so I'm really used to this. Actually, when I first started learning how to do nails, I was practicing on my sister exclusively, so I am really used to nail biters, and I highly recommend that you use nail forms with nail biters just because they don't have a free edge and it's really hard to glue on a tip, and it's not really good for their nails either. The forms kept popping out of place, and they're not very sticky or sturdy. These are by the Organics brand. I really recommend the Nail Harmony brand, and I'll try to have the link in the description if you want to get those and try them. But I actually ran out of them, so I just started using whatever I had, and oh my gosh, I was struggling. You can't really tell that much in the video, but I feel like the application could have been a lot better if the forms were sturdier, but I'm just going in. I have already primed and dehydrated and prepped her nails, and I went in with a thin layer of clear just to build a free edge so she can have like a very strong sturdy base of clear acrylic. And this also prevents lifting, because if you just go straight in with color acrylic, it can kind of cause lifting. Color acrylic is not really the strongest acrylic, so I'm just going in with the clear. And some people like to take that little circular part of the nail form and put it up under between the gap where there should be a free edge and where the nail form meets. I personally don't bother to like go through all of those steps because it's just, for me personally, the way I apply acrylic, it's never been necessary. The nails always come out the exact same, and the acrylic never leaks under the nail form. They always come out normal, and I try to make the bead of clear that I put down first a little bit drier. And I'm probably gonna get a ton of comments about that, but I just wanted to address it in the video just in case you were wondering why I didn't do that. So the pink that I'm using is by Banggood, and I mixed it with a little bit of the light pink and a little bit of the coralish pink to get this color, and I'm just placing this, and I'm trying to make these short coffin shape, and then I will encapsulate with clear acrylic.
Yeah, I'm a Jew, chicken and soup, garment on two. I need about two, don't mess with fools. Yeah, so dumb. Yeah, so dumb. You don't have a clue. Yeah, yeah, so dumb. You don't have a clue. Yeah, yeah, so dumb. You don't have a clue. Yeah, yeah, so dumb. You don't have a clue. Yeah, yeah, so dumb. I got my spirit up too. Like a bike, I need by more, I'ma try. Be louder than a kite. Be louder than a kite. Like, who do you think you talking to? Woo! Pulling it out, making wall like a corpse. Yeah, you so doomed, it's a sport. They stay forgetting the Lord. They stay forgetting the Lord. Yeah, black it out so you can't see. Get in that beat with a beat. Hang up the curtain, you see. Block out the room with Louise. Never hold on, do you see? I'm making the L on the lead. Making a choice. Where's the horse? No Porsche. Danger abort, abort. Danger abort, abort. Tying it up with a cord. You call me Shrek, I'm Green O'Gore. I need some sleep. Where's my peace? Where's the bird? Like Tweety the leak. Man, it's a dog, I put on a leash. I'm feeding my people, cause we the lost sheep. Yeah. last cups of shower. Never LOP devour. Yeah, I'm a Jew, chicken and soup. Garment on two. I need about two. Don't mess with fools. Yeah, so dumb. Yeah, so dumb. You don't have a clue. So dumb. Yeah, so dumb. You don't have a clue. So dumb. Yeah, so dumb. You don't have a clue. Yeah, so dumb. You don't have a clue. Yeah, so dumb. I got my spirit up too. I am not singing a doom. I ain't got more, I got two. I'm just gonna race like a bike. I need one more, I'ma try it. Big up a lot of the kind. Big up a lot of the kind. Release on the beats and say Jeesh. Release on the beats and say Jeesh. We do not believe in Jesus. I don't believe in no Jesus. Release on the beats and say Jeesh. We do not work for no penny. I don't believe in no genie. I don't believe in no genie. Yeah. I just might get up and walk to the strategy. Actually, I just might go to the fountain and yell out apologies. They even like all these analogies. Don't talk to us, you cannot handle it. I pray to my body, I'm pleased. I'm looking out, watch if I sneeze. Don't celebrate, no put the case. We living in tornado phase. Don't pass the daylight in your face. Y'all need to come out of that place. For sure, for real. Just made a deal. Pack on my bags and I go to a place. Hold on, man, I take a look at the script. You see what we out, can we keep it with man? They know what I'm saying, cause we do want to deal. And we wanna live. We wanna live forever. Where's the basics? It's in the location.
This purple color is also from Banggood, and I just mixed it with a little bit of white to get this light purple.
Send the location, 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 send the location. Where's the knowledge? Where's the location? Hey, stacking it, stacking it, bagging it.
So after application, I file shaped and buffed the nails, and now I'm going in with IBD Intense Seal to decorate the nails. I did a raw glitter nail using a clear iridescent glitter I got from Michael's, and I just cured that in the lamp so the glitter can stay. And I'm just gonna clean up the sidewalls because they get a little bit thick from the glitter, so I'm just getting that excess glitter off and dusting it all away. I'm going to use some chrome on the index fingers, and this chrome is from Banggood, I believe, or no, this chrome is from Beauty Big Bang, and it's really, really pretty. I really love it. It's like a mixture of a duochrome, a hollow, and a galaxy hollow. It's really pretty. So I'm just going to burnish that in to the top coat and seal that in as well. Using some stones from GearBest, I'm going to put down a little bit of IBD builder gel and apply some stones and then cure them into place.
Kim J, yeah, he booming, nigga.
Stocking of that cheddar just to do it, y'all. Swear. Buying of that jewelry just to do it, y'all. Whipping all on foreign just to do it, y'all. But it won't mean nothing. 6 foot deep. 6 foot deep. 6 foot deep. 6 foot deep. I'm about to cop a new jet. I'm about to rip it with that. Zoom, zoom, burn the gas. Spend the cash, get it back. Hope it don't last too long. I heard it was best
Now I'm going to top coat all of the remaining nails with IBD Intense Seal.
But I'm never going back. Never going back. I think never going back. Rockin' this garment though. My outfit ain't Gucci though. Don't mess with no bougie folks. Pull up in the Hummer though. Standing out honest though. They don't know about comments though. They don't know about comments though. Hold on right now, don't back in.
After applying cuticle oil, this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of these nails. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
Keep on calling, I ain't staying, y'all. Used to be chilling up in the bay, y'all. Man, I want to bend up in my bay, y'all. Man, I want to chill up in my bay, y'all. Stocking of that cheddar just to do it, y'all. Swear. Buying of that jewelry just to do it, y'all.